Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you all of my new releases. Now this is an accumulation of the last couple of weeks, so I do have a ton to show you. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I want to start by showing you all of the new cards that I've been coming out with in the shop. The first two here just came out yesterday, so let's go ahead and show you those two. This one is so adorable. It says, "Let's taco about it," and then the cute little girl and boy taco with a little heart there, and then some confetti around the edges. Now I had previously done cards, but they were a little bit smaller. I think it was 4 by 5.5, and these ones are bigger. It's 5 by 6.5. I just really like the larger size. They're not too large, not too small, so I really like just the in-between. I do have a ton of the smaller cards, so I may do those as like freebies, or maybe like a smaller price tag on those. We'll see. For now, I am switching over to the bigger cards here. On the back here, I have Bolderbon with the Bolderbon logo, and then it says, "Be bold with Bolderbon, made with love in the USA." And then all of the cards come with an envelope, and then on the inside, they're all blank, so you can write your own little note on the inside there. So that one is the first one that got released yesterday, along with this one, which is my favorite. It says, "We're like cocoa and marshmallows," and then it has the cute little girl marshmallow and the boy marshmallow there. And then you can find both of these as stickers in the shop as well, with the tacos and the marshmallows. Again, blank inside, and then on the reverse of all of the cards are Bolderbon with the Bolderbon logo, "Be bold with Bolderbon," and then "Made with love in the USA." I may change the back, but for now, that is how I am going to be having it. So then, if you guys didn't see, I think it was 2 weeks ago, I came out with a ton of like hamburgers and hot dogs. I just like went crazy with them. Maybe it's because I'm just so ready for summertime, and this screams summer to me. The first one here is for Father's Day, or anything dad related. So this one says, "Frankly, Dad, you're the best," with this adorable hot dog, and then this really cute face that definitely screams something to celebrate. Same thing inside, and the back is the same as all of them. All of them will also come in a cellophane baggie, just like this one. They fit perfectly, and they will be in each bag will be separate, so I'm not going to be stuffing it with more than one card. Alright, so this one is the same hot dog, but it says, "Hot diggity dog, it's your birthday." I think that is so great. This one is super adorable. It says, "If you have crazy friends, you have everything." So it's a hamburger and hot dog holding each other's hands. Now I do have actually stickers of that as well, which I'll show you shortly. And then the last one, again, is another hot dog, and then this one, instead of saying "Frankly, Dad," it just says, "Frankly, you're the best." So you can give this to anyone that you like, friends, families, or co-workers as well would work really well for that. So those were all of the cards released so far. I will be having many more coming out soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on to my kits. I actually had 2 full kits released recently. Let's start with this one. This one is all our own hand-drawn, unique artwork. It's called Fun in the Sun. I cannot wait to use this. I haven't used it yet. I was waiting for it to get a little bit sunnier. I'll probably use it maybe at the end of June or the beginning of July. So you guys can see all of the artwork that we did up top here. A cute little baseball with the eyeballs, the sunflower with the red, white, and blue, and like a blue sky background, some ice cream, and then this cute little pineapple. How adorable is that guy? And then of course the regular set, so it has the weekend banner, all of your fun icons here, your icons at the bottom here, and then the next page is your bottom washi. So I've created the bottom washi to go along with this set, and then of course the little headers here this week. Remember, don't forget to clean and to buy. And then the newer format with the flags on the side here, and then more little boxes. I think these little hearts are so adorable. The third sheet is exactly the same as all of the other sets that I've been coming out with all of your boxes here. So half boxes, quarter boxes, and page flags. This was so much fun to create, guys. So all of the full boxes up top here. So then the fifth sheet here are all of your full box checklists, and look at that adorable ice cream cone. I just decided to like move it off to the side as if it was gonna fall down. It's so cute. And then there's some whipped cream and a cherry on top there. And then the last sheet here is all of your date covers, some glitter washi, and then to-do headers up top here. So that is the Fun in the Sun collection. I hope you guys are enjoying all of the original artwork that we are coming out with. All right, the next, let's go ahead and move on to the July bullet journal next, actually. So this is made to fit inside your bullet journal. You can use it in your traveler's notebook as well, or just a regular notebook. So this is the cover page with the sunflower, the cute like red, white, and blue with the stars on the inside there. And then on the inside, it says July. Some adorable fireworks there. And then it says laughter is the fireworks of the soul. So cute. I cannot wait to put this down in my bullet journal. All right, and then also comes with a July tracker. So this is the kit. The kit comes also with a calendar as well. Again, you guys can use this in the bullet journal or a regular notebook. And then that is a full set, but you can buy them separately. And then the next thing that I've included with the bullet journal, now this is separate, is my July Doodle Challenge. If you guys aren't doing the Doodle Challenge, you should. It is so much fun. I've really been enjoying doing it. I started in May, and I cannot wait for the July one. So this one has the sunflower there, and then all of the prompts are on the bottom right-hand corner here. So it starts with watermelon, there's a fire, picnic, sunglasses, and a bonus box here. You guys can see I leave one or sometimes a double one empty, so you guys can draw in whatever you like. I like to use it kind of like as a quote box as well for the month. So that was the bullet journal kit. All right, so let's go ahead and show you the next collection. This one is called Land of the Free. I've actually already done a plan with me using this kit in the brand new Erin Condren 2018 to 2019 planner. If you guys want to see that plan with me, I'll leave a little card over here if you guys want to check that out. So this is the same format as the Fun in the Sun with all of your fun deco up top. Obviously, it's more Independence Day related. It has the red, white, and blue, the flag. It's just so gorgeous. All of the icons at the bottom there. Then this is the bottom border, the little flags here, little boxes, and then the headers off to the side. Your boxes, full boxes, and flags. The fourth sheet, of course, are all of the full box stickers. Absolutely love it. The Land of the Free, the double box here with the flag in the middle, just stunning. And then the full box checklist with all of the checklists as fireworks, so pretty. And then the last sheet, of course, are all of your date covers and glitter headers. Now let me go ahead and show you what that looked like in my planner, since I already have that laid out for you. There's just a couple of things that I have written on here, but I mean, look at how gorgeous that is. I cannot wait to start using this planner. So it was so much fun to actually plan in that right away. I might actually have to start moving to this really soon and just pre-planning ahead of time. So I also came out with, like, of course, a monthly sets to go along with the Land of the Free, which I already did a video on as well, so I'll show you that layout. So this is the monthly set here. It also has 2 notes. So this one is the long full boxes here. So this one is a really long box there. I know it looks like there's 3 boxes, but it's actually 1 full-length box. And then also has the ones with the circles, because the old planners still have the circles, of course, and I also did a layout with the circles in the brand new Erin Condren, so I'll show you that, how I set that up, and I absolutely love it. So I'll definitely be keeping the circles around at least until the end of the year, and then we'll see if people want that for the new year, for 2019. We'll see. Also a matching budget kit. Now this one has all of the headers on it already, but you do get the option to have it without the headers, or to custom make your budget kit as well. And then of course your July notebook calendar. I do have a budget video on showing you how I use the notebook calendar and the budget kit together in a notebook. I'll also put a card over here if you guys want to check that out. I've also seen lots of people use it in the regular Erin Condren just to use as a notebook page, so you can do that also. I love having this. It's been such a nice little addition that I made for the shop. So why don't I go ahead and show you how that is set up. Alright, so this one is the long note page. So July up top here, the long notes down at the bottom, and then on the right hand side you guys can see I put the circles on the actual dashboard part, which I fell in love with. I didn't think I was going to, and I was initially going to take the circles away out of my shop immediately, but I decided since I really liked it, I was going to keep it around at least until December, but I might have to actually keep it around a lot longer than that, or maybe come up with another different layout for the dashboard page, but I absolutely love it. All right, and then this one is the monthly July kit as well. So I really like how all of them go well with each other. So that was 2 different collections, and then this one came with all of the monthly stuff. Why don't we go ahead and show you all of the mini sheets that I came out with as well. Now I also have been creating decals also. So the first one here I decided to do of the sunflower and the red, white, and blue with the stars inside. Love that. I also came out with the llama ones. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I usually do sneak peeks of these ahead of time. This was just so much fun to do. So this one says, "My llama don't like you and she likes everyone." Of course, it's a little Justin Bieber, little play on words there. So I thought that that was adorable. You get, I think it's 6 different color choices for this decal. So that is so cute, and I'm loving making decals as well. So if you guys have any ideas, definitely let me know down below, or if there's something in the shop that you would like me to make as a decal, also let me know as well. Alright, so I also did a couple revamps. So this one is the date night with the heart here that says date night there, lots of fun colors. There's also the movie night one, which I have already redone on the weekly kit, but I just put it out as a small addition to the shop as well. And then this one is one of my favorites. It is a bonbon with purple hair that says all the stickers, and she's holding pages of stickers. Absolutely love it. This one's going to get used pretty darn fast here. And then, like I said, lots of hamburgers and hot dogs this month. I love it. This one is like the crazy ones with the faces. So there's faces on the hot dogs and the hamburgers, and then them holding hands at here. I just thought that was super cute. Now I also have a sheet of them plain without the faces in case you want that as well. I didn't actually grab that here, but I'm sure you can imagine them with no faces. And then sweet cakes. I have been making a lot of sweet cakes as well, so I plan on putting more in the shop soon. This one is of her holding several different color balloons, just super cute. And then the last sheet here is just a full sheet of Ellie, the lucky elephant. So she's facing this way, and then at the bottom she's facing the other way. So depending on how you put her down in your planner, you can use either one of them. So that is a look at all of the new releases. So like I said, it was a ton of them, so I just sped right through it. So if you guys have any questions or anything, definitely let me know down below. Oh, I forgot to show you one more. I have been doing personal size kits as well to go along with my designed here. So this one is the Land of the Free. It's a 2-page kit for your personal size planner. I am also working on doing a monthly kit for the personal size planner. So if you have any suggestions for that, if you want to see something in particular for the monthly kit, also let me know down below. So that is a look at all of the new releases. I hope you guys enjoy all of these new fun goodies. And of course, let me know what you guys think of all of the new fun cards in the shop. I would love to hear your thoughts. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!